Kuba. Barley Christmas casserole. A side dish from Czech Republic. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Cook the onion in the butter until it's translucent. Wash the mushrooms until they're free from grit. Step 2. Add the barley, mushrooms, salt and water to the onions and cook, uncovered, until the water has evaporated, stirring frequently. The mixture will be very thick. Step 3. Add the remaining ingredients. Place in a greased casserole or baking dish and bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.